I don't want to make it seem like I know what I'm doing. The plan for this project is to create a visualization of the number of cases in each country, at least show like a map and display how many cases are in that country of the coronavirus. And so I think I'm going to do this in Python again, because I like most of my projects, because I'm just way more comfortable with Python. It popped in my head because I'm on break now, and my break was recently just extended to like a whole month when it was 1 week due to the coronavirus. So I thought I should pay the coronavirus back, I guess, and do a project with it. And I've been having this idea to do like a visualization of something using a map for a while. I haven't really had any ideas for it, so this is a good launching point to it. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so after about an hour-ish, 30 minutes to an hour, somewhere between there, of work, this is what I've got so far. You can see all these tiny little dots in South America and Africa, and all these have cases. You see? But due to the way that I do the size, they're also tiny because I need China and Italy and things like that, and France and Germany and Spain and the US to be big, but I can't have them be too big. Like China, if it's too big, it envelops this entire thing, and that's not good. So there's issue number one that I need to solve. So I'll probably, I don't know, normalize it maybe with like a sigmoid function. And then another thing that I want to try is change the color of it based on either how many deaths it has total, or the death per capita, or the mortality rate. You know, one of those three, probably mortality rate. So there's task number 2. For that one's gonna be weird because I'm gonna need some sort of gradient or something, and how it currently takes a hex value. So I'm gonna have to try to learn how to do that. Okay, so right now, what I'm doing for the normalization is this, what basically just gets the minimum, maximum, and then times it by just a constant. And that comes up with this. So it's about the same as what the other one was. But the issue is these are still way too small. Because it is scaling correctly, but just because China has 81,000 and Brazil has 621, Honduras has 12, it doesn't scale well. So what I want to do is use a sigmoid function, because this allows me to get them, normalize them, and then have it kind of increase exponentially how I want it to. So what I basically wanted to do is go like this, and then we'll have like, I don't know, say 0.5 3 here. And that's where this minimum bar is. So, or where it never touches. So it'll go here and then do that. But then the curve here also needs to be super gradual. So I'm going to need to figure out how to do that, how to do this, and also make it up, go up, or maybe down. Either way will work. We'll just see whatever I figure out first. Well, it's not exactly what I wanted, but it is a close start. I just needed to be a more drastic change. Okay, that's progress. I'm able to change how much these smaller scales go at now. Now I just need it for these bigger ones, because that's a bit of a mess right now. Alright. It looks pretty evened out now. So basically what this is, hold on, we'll graph it real quick. Is this. It's this gigantic graph. So to get the kind of roof you want, you just do that. And then if I really wanted to, I could move, because what, I think it's just like, yeah, you just do that to move it horizontally, this to stretch it vertically, and boom. Then it basically plateaus around 15,000. But again, this scale is really big. So the difference here is actually pretty decent, as we can see, between Italy and China, at least, or Italy and Germany. It looks like it's probably fairly similar. But there's that. Now I just have to do it for the color. And here we go. I think I am getting a hang of this. Simple one. This changes how high up it starts. So if we just change it to 5, it goes down. So this controls how much those lower values start at. I think about there's fine, because it's red enough, I think. And then it plateaus at the top. Thinking back about this, I might have to change it, because nowhere is it like even 100. So maybe it should be slightly different. But this is what it currently looks like. You can pick out a few spots. Sudan, they have 2 cases, 1 person died. 14% in Guyana. 11 in Guatemala. And then you get like Iran, China, Italy, Spain. So it's good. I think this is actually the final initial goal. I mean, this is it basically. All that's left is some tweaking. And then probably I'll push it and publish it on Heroku or something. So we'll see how that goes. And hopefully I don't run into the same problems I did last time I tried using it. Can you include emojis in your commit? The answer is yes. Okay. What's new? Let's hope that... Where'd it go? Here we go? Yes! All you have to do is go up here and you have access to it. Awesome. Now, just for more changes.